All right, Jamaica walk by, living his best life.
Yeah, so you might be more natural to look that way and try it, but it's up to you.
Once you put your both leg on it, you turn blue.
Yeah, there you go. You can just go straight flat. Go flat. Boom. Now you go where you want to go. Jump off and you didn't jump.
Alright, one more try, one more try. So you have to have some balance, man.
Yeah.
So it is like,
There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Jump. Oh, you good. You good. You got a bell. Jump. Bell. Jump. I'm not holding yet. You got to jump.
Chicken, beef, pork.
yeah. Nice. Tacos. Alright. So it seems like this is the way they get all the beautiful ladies to come and work. Yeah, I can see. They're doing a great job. Yeah. Take care. Bless up and respect all massive. One love, one love. Thank you so much for joining. All my dieted subscribers, please, may I beg you. Say, click the like button. You know the rule of the channel. Go, you understand? No joke, no doubt. One love, one respect, always. So right about now, we are in Miami.
Yes, we are
And I'm
in
with,
Miami.
yeah, and I'm here with the Janella Faye. You don't know, touring me around Miami to make me see what I go on. So, you know, it's all about a set of vibe, a sort of vibe video where we're just gonna walk through. First time in Miami, want to see what the place look like. Want to see all of the adventures. Them want to see what the people them there. Want to go up on the beach side. So it won't be in one video, but this is actually showing the city part. And then you know me, I gotta have the Miami Beach video differently. All right. So all my massive, please, I'm asking you, if you don't like the video yet, please, may I beg you to like the video right about now. Give the video a thumbs up. We are wait. Come in, give the video a like right about now. Let's go. May I wait? Before we come out of the parking lot, please, may I beg you, like the video right about now. I could kickstart the video with 500 likes before we even come out of the parking lot. So do it right away.
Moment of silence, I do all of the
Yeah, moment of silence. We are wait. Click the like button. So, Janelle is going to lead the way so we can know where to go and stuff, because I don't know nothing about this place. It's my first time here, so let's see if we're going to speak with anybody. We're just going to walk through, show you what the place look like and all of that. And if you actually know about Miami, you can relate, you know, with there. And wow, out of the parking lot, I can tell you, it is beautiful. Wonderful.
Bayside Marketplace.
So, did you say, where are we?
Bayside Market.
So we are now at Bayside Marketplace, and the first look, it is amazing. It is beautiful.
They have the big bus tours over here. So if you're trying to tour, Miami, you can book one of those tours.
Yeah, so if you want to tour Miami, Janela is saying that we can book one of these buses to take us around. Mad thing, but yeah, one love, respect. Let's just take a small look right here. We are in Miami. OMG, it is beautiful. So I definitely feel like I am in Manhattan. So far, if I tell you the truth, like we're in the town of Manhattan. Super nice. Yeah, based on how, probably how the clouds are moving, look like it's moving. Beautiful. So, yeah. Let's ask Janelle, so where do you think we should go first?
So we can check this part out. It's really nice over here. That's where all of the boats stop. So you can do boat tours as well.
Okay. Alright, so Massive, we're just gonna walk around and show you what it looks like. It's not a narrating video. So I always have to make you know it's not a narrating video, it's all about a visual look where you just look to see what the place looks like, see the natural happening, the natural vibe and all of that. And if you're not been here for a while, you can see what the place look like, you know what I mean, in our time. So let's do this. Miami. And I must say, I want to make a point clear. For all the persons who are actually here, that these are not the videos for you. You don't want to be here. You might subscribe by accident, so you're not gonna support. You don't want to like. You don't want to comment. Any of those stuff. I'm kindly telling you that it's best for you to unsubscribe and to really watch the channel that you want to watch, because on Jamaica What, we're trying to get some subscribers here that actually want to be here, persons who actually want to support because they love the content and this is what we have to offer. I'm really kind of tired now for seeing persons in the chat sometimes saying all kinds of stuff, what I must do from what I mustn't do. And trust me, you will know constructive criticism when you hear it. You understand? I don't need any persons to come on here talking about all kinds of negativity. So once you come on this channel with negativity, I think it's your time to leave. I will block you. You understand? So it's a positive channel and we just want to focus on positive things, life, goals, blessings, and future things. You see me? That is it. So as we proceed, let's do this like this, right? It's Miami. No joke, no doubt. Beautiful. I wanted to see what was right around that side because I don't want to like miss any spot. This is what, a Starbucks?
Yeah.
Best up. So it seems like you can get a nice customized hat here to fit your head for any occasion. It seems like you can get them here. Yeah. So I'm seeing the machine. What do you do? Can you customize the headpiece to make it fit perfectly?
Don't make the hat. We personalize it. Like we put
Oh,
names.
personalize it. Oh,
Not
yeah.
just the hat. We personalize
What's the name of the store?
it. We stitch Bayside.
Oh, yeah. So that's where I'm standing right now. We stitch by stitch. So you're Stitch.
I stitch. Yeah.
Bless up and respect. I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica.
All right, man.
Yeah, so massive, if you're actually in the Miami area, the Bayside, you want to get these nice art. If you didn't know that this store was here, now is your chance. Come on down and check Stitch. He's Stitch. All right, that's it. Bless up, respect. Yeah. The store is we stitch by stitch. Huh? Oh man, it's beautiful. Are you looking to get popsicles already?
I'll wait till I'm off with the like these popsicles. That passion one.
Okay, I got you. Wow, did you see that shaker? Man. Like what you got? Love it?
Yeah. Bye, see you later.
Hi guys, wanna try?
Is it free?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Not gonna cost me?
No.
Not $1.
No.
All right, let me try it.
Not a cent. Okay.
All right, so what is this?
Pina colada with mango.
Pina colada with mango?
Yeah.
All right. Try a little pina colada, man. Drink a little rum. Rum in there? Is there rum? Alcohol?
No, no.
Ah, let me try.
Pineapple, mango, and coconut. You like it?
It's delicious.
Thank you.
It's
Refreshing.
It's not just refreshing, it's delicious. How do you say delicious in Spanish? What? Delicioso.
Samples. Yeah.
I sound crappy, right? Say it. Say yes. Tell me, delicioso.
Delicioso.
Yeah, I'm from Jamaica,
Colombia.
Colombia. Much love. I'll be there one day. Yeah. Who is the chef who made it?
Mango. Sorry?
This guy made it?
Yeah.
You made it. Touch me. It's great. It's great. I would swallow the thing, but it probably won't come out. Yeah. It's great. I wonder what's the cost for like a cup of it. Probably mad expensive, right?
What, those?
Yeah.
Like $5.
Probably like $5. It's great. Woo! So you see how they're actually giving out these samples to catch you. So you know exactly when you're thirsty where you should or should not go. You know what I mean? Yeah. But I still have my sample cup and it is beautiful. Tastes great. Oh, here's a bin too. Oh, it's fine. Oh, here's another guy with a sample.
Yeah.
How was it?
That's pretty good.
If you should rate it out of 10, how much would you give it?
Probably a 9.
A 9? Yeah, I'd probably give it like a 9.5.
Awesome.
Yeah, it was great. Alright. Look at these. These are beautiful, very different. Oh wow. Is this store on Instagram? Can I give the store a shout out?
Yeah.
What's the name on the Instagram?
It's Lucky Eyes.
Oh, there is it. Let me. Oh, she's gonna give a closer card. Thank you. So, yeah, Lucky Eyes.
Yeah.
Wow. Let me open this. So it's Lucky Eyes. Nice. So these are some of the stuff that you
What
got.
is the meaning of the eyes?
I was just gonna ask you a few questions. I'm loving that you will talk.
Yeah.
I must say you are a very beautiful young lady.
Oh yeah.
I'm
thanks.
from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm a YouTuber. The channel is called Jamaica Walk By.
Oh,
So as a
yeah.
Jamaican, I do travel videos and stuff and showcase person's business and you wanna talk to her? Yeah, you can. My sister.
I'm sorry.
No, that's fine. That's fine. I bring the luck. I want her to sell. Sell. So this is the name of the store that I'm in, Lucky Eyes. She's gonna explain to me what it means. And the Instagram is called Lucky Eyes Official. So you can definitely check this place out on Instagram. Oh yeah. And you can also send them you can check out the web page, which Lucky Eyes, let me see, luckyeyesin.com. These are some of the stuff that she sells. Very beautiful. So we're actually here in Miami, Bayside. As you can see around my neck, I'm always having like the stones and stuff. So this is my stone that I wear. It's a crystal. So as you can see, there's stones and stuff in here. So this place is gonna pretty much draw my attention very, very easily. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So as you see, my stone now is drawn.
What is
This thing.
this?
This is a crystal, like for
It's a
purify.
quartz?
Yeah, it's a purified crystal.
Yeah.
So I had it for a very long time. As you can see the look of it, you can tell that I had it for a very long
Yeah.
time. And I wear it everywhere I go.
It's good.
Yeah.
For good energy.
Energy, yeah.
Exactly.
So which country are you from?
I'm Cuban.
Cuban.
Yeah.
Never been to Cuba before, but big up.
Yeah.
So yeah. Tell me a little bit about what the eye mean, as they say. Its story is Lucky
The
Eye.
meaning of the eyes is that protection. The eyes is protection from evil eyes, from envy, for to keep good energy, good vibes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow. So these are like the magnetic one for the fridge
Yeah.
or anything that you want to stick it on.
Magnets, so for the home, for the car.
Nice. Do you mind telling me like these material, what it was made from?
From Turkey. Everything in the store are from Turkey.
Okay.
Handmade in Turkey. This is glass thermic.
Nice. Beautiful. I love these things too.
They
Yeah.
are handmade one by one crystal in Turkey.
Wow. All right. Thank you for speaking with me. You keep being sweet.
Okay.
I hope a lot of persons will see this video and come to Bayside, Miami, and check this store out. Yeah. And from bracelets to all kinds of stuff. The variety is massive. Wow. All right. Take care. Beautiful.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Nice. So general, they have a nice escalator. So let's see a bit more downstairs, and it's a candy store.
All things sugar.
That's nice. That was nice. What space is this? Oh yeah. So it's like a popcorn store.
Yeah. It has like, you know what? It kind of tastes like a festival.
Yeah, I think I tried that once over there in Manhattan. Hello, good day. I'm just passing through, doing a YouTube video and vlogging my experience. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, that was nice though. Like it. This is a place. That's Bayside. Definitely can check this place out. I like where it's at too. Can't miss it. And then a place where you have to pressure yourself to talk properly. You know what I mean? But we'll try. Oh, whoa. They actually have something like the Orlando Eye. Yes. The Orlando Eye one at Icon Park is actually bigger than this. Yep. I didn't even know that. So there's actually a eye over here too. Wow. This is pretty cool. Oh wow, Miami. It's Miami, baby. Yeah, the place is beautiful. Look good. Like, it is super beautiful, man. The Hard Rock Cafe. Like, all the boats and stuff just dock here and thing. And oh, wow. I wonder, do we have to have permission to walk on the dock?
We would know that from over here. Most likely, it's specifically for those, because they don't want else to go in.
Oh, man.
So you might have to have like a permit.
Hey, family. Is it, can I like walk the dock to see some of the boats? Like, if I just want to walk and look at some of the boats? Yeah,
How do you get over there?
that's where? All right. Yeah, massive. I'm here. I want to see stuff, you know. Ask some question and see what's what. Let's go. Sorry. That's fine. Thank you for that. That's that. I think I hear the call a while ago, you know. I see the pan. Yeah, I say, oh, I look like I me them a call. I never me the call. Oh, she, that beautiful lady. Come on, man. I think I'm the handsome young man at that time. Big up yourself, bro. Respect. We're in Miami. It's my first. Grandma, you that? Bless up every time, man. I'm from Jamaica. You probably tell that by the talking right now. Yeah. Where you guys from? Chicago. Oh, no, Jamaican. You don't look like me, man. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you're right, you know. Me look like you. Yeah. Oh, what's your age?
77.
Yeah, how much?
77.
77? Father God, me don't know if I can live so far.
God is good, eh?
Yeah. Well, me just have to go whoop, you know. Because you sit down and relax, have is a strong man to push around and things. That's the life, you know, Oh, you mean? Are you really hear this? You die, man.
Yeah.
She bleach it? Oh my word. So you just get everything full out and pretty like that? It's beautiful. Where's the 77 wrinkles at? I don't see them. Where is it? So, I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica. I have a channel called Jamaica Walk By, where I travel and show what Jamaica looks like and the world, and, you know, talk with my beautiful people, show some love. Just be human, you know? It's Jamaica Walk By. And it's my first time over here in Miami.
Jamaica from Chicago.
Yeah, give a shout out, man.
Shout out to Chicago.
Big up Massive from Chicago. I think so. Grandma right here, so she have to get a special shout out, you know.
Baby.
You understand? Are you baby them?
My baby.
But you go on good man like 1, 2, 3, 4? Yeah? Bad, you mean? That is it, that's beautiful over there, that's beautiful, I mean, general. You mean, the G, man, enjoy life, man, I need it, right? You ever been to Jamaica?
I would like to go.
You been, you see energy when you say, yeah? There's a party in a place and thing, nice, so. Sun a hot boy. I never know somebody that reach somewhere else that the sun would be hotter than Jamaica. Imagine, I've been in Jamaica for over 30 years and I've never gotten a sunburn. Yeah, man, I'm almost 40 years old, I'm 38. I'm old, man, just not as young as you. So, you guys take care, have fun, enjoy your trip. I'm just walking around, pulling my eyes. I don't know when I'm going to ever be back this side, so I'm having fun. Alright? So remember the channel, Jamaica Walk By, alright? Yeah, take care, my brother. Blessed Lord. Yeah, Grandma, you stay young, alright? Yeah. Oh, this is here. Yeah. So that is me. So I want to see what a few of the boats look like, see if we can actually walk on the dock a bit, see some of the boats and see what's what. Yeah. It sound like one Jamaican tea, you know.
No, we're like another island.
It's on the island.
And here by the fish.
Oh.
I go down and come back up a little bit.
They say the island vibe though. Yeah man. So we're gonna see what on the dock look like, you know, some of the boats, and keep walking around. So this is just pretty much like the seaside, the bay. So let's see what it looks like. Let's do this. Like the view is just out of this world. Imagine all the persons who can't get a chance to see this. It's amazing. Like I'm really glad for this opportunity to see this beautiful, amazing setup place. So we are just gonna look on a few of the boats on the dock. I see some beautiful ones over there, like OMG. Wow. All right, so far, you know, there's a gate here. So pretty much this is where the restrictions start. Let me hear what it said. No trespassing, boat owners and guests only. Authorized dock. Mad thing. So far we can't go beyond those points, but we can definitely look this side. It's amazing. Yeah, big money popping, you know. Yeah, so I just want to see a few of them. Wow, beautiful. Nice. And then you can see the buildings in the background. Wonderful, trust me. Amazing sight. Yeah, this is the dock. Alright, let's go back in the town. Yeah. Just trying to get a little bit of everything to see the real place called Miami. Super nice. This water must be deep and it's green. Alright. So if you're just joining the video, please I'm asking you to like the video. If you're new here, please I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel. And please, once you're gonna subscribe, you're gonna like, please I'm asking you to like the other videos if you can. It's always great for persons. Yes, so it's always great for persons to just, you know, communicate. We can talk in the chat sections and stuff like that, and all of the good stuff. So yeah, no joke, no doubt, one love. So please I'm asking you to check the videos out and be a loyal subscriber. I would really appreciate that you could be on the channel showcasing some love. Alright? Yeah, so if you're new again and if you're just joining, we are downtown Miami, Bayside, with the sister Janella Faye. Yeah, so her YouTube channel will be in the link in the description. You can check her out, Janella Faye. She do travel videos and all kind of good stuff. So she's actually telling me to mind myself before I go over the water, because there's no railing. But I don't know how I master the craft of using this camera, and I use my eye in my head side. Look what I go on. Yeah, I guess after doing it a while, you start using your peripheral vision. Yeah, Miss Bright Girl. She me call Miss Big Word, you know.
Oh my God.
Yes. So I get to understand how to use my peripheral vision so well. I can be walking and looking all over the place and looking in one direction. All right, so up we go as we get to see more of Miami. Not now, not now. I'm just touring, not now. Dubo. All right. Yeah, I'm doing YouTube video. You're working. I love it. I love it. So let me tell them about this. So if you're in the Bayside, you can do. Yeah. So this one. Oh yeah, loads about to choose from and rides. So if you come to Bayside, look for this beautiful lady here and do one of the trips with her. Bayside, Miami. One love. Yeah. Can I see? Oh, you're working with the bar. Oh, then do normal food, chicken, ribs. It's probably great.
Tacos with green, chicken, beef, pork.
Yeah. Nice. Tacos. All right. So it seems like this is the way they get all the beautiful ladies to come and work. Yeah, I can see. They're doing a great job. Yeah. Take care. Oh, this is the bar right here. It's beautiful. As you can see, loads of liquor and stuff like that. Love it. Nice setup, even chairs outside. You can get these chairs to eat. Over there too as well. Oh yeah. So it's a vibe. It's nice. Great music. The decor is actually wonderful. I love the decor. Beautiful nice. Let me zoom in on the name of it. Yeah. Really nice place. Yeah. So Miami. Good day, good day. Yeah. So that is actually a beautiful marketing strategy. You see that? So what they do, they get some beautiful ladies put outside on the front, and all these ladies actually have a placard. So what they're saying that attraction sells. So if you're coming from that direction, you will find about 3 of them, and if you're coming from this way, you will still see a few of them lining here. And I love the uniform. If you're a man or a straight man or whatever, you will actually be attracted by this place because of the ladies and the decor and all of the good stuff. And they are very, very, very nice and polite, I might say. And I'm pretty sure the food is also good because the smell, the aroma that is coming from there is just beautiful. So as we move along, yeah, in this pizza place, I'm actually hearing some reggae music playing. Wow. All right, so we haven't been upstairs, so I want to see a little bit of what is actually on the upstairs of this building. So let's see. It's really nice. So far, this place is just beautiful, super beautiful. Look at that. Wow. So let me get out of this music here. Let's go, let's go. Thank you for that. So we're getting out of the music. Over here in Bayside. Because we can see where we started. Oh, you want to get a slice of pizza? It was massive.
Yes.
I say you want to eat on the journey.
Yeah.
You go on. What is upstairs? Oh yeah? Alright, so let's see what's going on.
But you'll be able to.
Alright. You know the thing go. Woo! What a breeze, sweet. Let's go, man. Wow. So we're actually walking on the beachside part, heading back to the escalator side. Look at the decor of these bars. Beautiful. Super. Different. Yeah, man. This is a vibe. Yeah, man. Outside me there. Outside. So this is where we started. And yeah. Look good. Alright, let's go.
How you doing?
I'm great, fam. Yeah. So we walked on the inside, and now we're actually on the outside, on the Bayside, pretty much. Let's go. Man, it's beautiful. So if you've never been to Bayside in Miami, your video this. If you've been here, this will definitely refresh your memory. No joke. Nice, nice.
So those are the larger cruise lines, like the Carnival cruise and stuff.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's it over there.
Yes. So we could possibly walk it. I'm not exactly sure how far that is, but that's like where you would go and board and stuff. I don't know exactly which one that is. It looks like Carnival, but yeah. So like all of them are over there.
Oh, so you can't
They're
get beyond
docked
that Pier 5 there?
Well, you can walk on it through this side, but I think that's just for traffic only, so we have to drive. But when you drive over this overpass,
Yeah,
there's
you
like
can
a
see
place
it?
where you, yeah. Where
So,
you board
oh,
that.
this road is actually closed too.
Yeah, so you have to drive on this right here.
Oh.
And then it connects.
And you probably can see it much better.
Yeah.
Alright. That's nice.
So this is the outside of the Bayside. This is just the outer part from where we
So
were.
this is called Bayside Mall.
Yeah, or Marketplace. It's a
Oh, Marketplace, yeah.
This has like a lot of different things. So yeah. And a lot of
nice.
these stores are the outlet version of the store, so it's not like the full line stores. So sometimes you get better deals at these type of places.
This one.
Yeah.
The Victoria's Secret there and thing. Yeah. Wow, we didn't went upstairs, but
We can go right there. There should be an escalator
right there.
on the upstairs part.
Alright, so you know what, I should have bought the hat. Ah,
I have one in the car. But
man.
it's like a real straw hat though.
Jeez.
Like a sombrero hat. I have that.
Like this is actually the only yellow taxi I've seen since I'm
Yeah.
here. Like big man thing. Alright, we're just gonna walk out. So pretty much on the Bayside Marketplace is just stores, food place, restaurant and stuff like that. That is over there. So we're out in a street now in Miami. And let's go walk. You know what I did to Janela? I left the glasses.
I noticed that too. I was like, well, maybe he's looking.
I don't know what is wrong with me.
You should have just kept it in the car.
Yeah.
I don't know if I have another one. I might have another one in the car. We
Man.
might need it when we get to the.
Yeah, okay, check. Machine. Alright. So we're outside. So we're gonna walk around in Miami town a bit. Or down in the heart of Miami because I want to see what the place really looks like, the energy here and the buildings. And you know, me just a walkathon from Jamaica, so our place in Jamaica don't look like this. So it is always great to show it to my Jamaicans and all the persons who never been to Miami who watch Jamaica walk by. So the Jamaican man I walk up and down in them yard like I'm a town too, you know. I mean them place like I'm a yard. Yeah, man. Okay. So which direction do you think we should go?
Well, this is gonna be like Biscayne Boulevard, so
Yeah.
probably to the left or across there because there's like some hotels and stuff and restaurants.
Okay.
on that side.
So if you should really suggest, you want to go across or down?
Let's go down first, and then if we want to cross over there, we
Yeah.
go over and then cross this way.
All right.
You can see everything.
Que todavía no se puede cruzar tampoco.
The market out here is very.
So where would you say like is the most busiest area here?
Probably closer to A1A. So like that beach,
Yeah.
the beach route on that side because everybody's going back and forth from the beach and stuff. And then the restaurants. So they have more restaurants on that side as well.
Mad.
But this is still busy. This one is a place that people like to go to shop. So, you know, you're always going to see people here, like even late at night. There's people that's still going to be walking and jogging.
Wow.
And then, of course, you know, they have like different places where you can go dance.
I was just gonna ask you if you can walk in the middle there, then I saw the sign. Maybe the sign you can't cross, but you can probably walk in the middle. Don't you think?
But it's going to cut
You
off.
got this, girl.
It's going to cut off, though.
Oh.
Oh, wow. This is like the perfect spot.
Oh, feel cool. That's why I'm there, man. Look.
Yep.
So cool. Oh, that's another Lamborghini truck. As them say, Miami. What I like about here, persons just doing them, and the place just a go on, you know. Nobody really not tell us ask about your video this or video that. It's like them just know the rules. I like that. Alright, so Janelle, I recently did a video of Bay Shore in Montego Bay. And Bay Shore, when I was telling them about the palm trees and stuff inside of the middle of the road and stuff like that, I may say it also have a Miami vibe. It was true. It's my first time now in Miami and actually looking at Bay Shore now in Montego Bay. Yeah, this is the kind of look that you get with the palm trees in the middle of the road. Few buildings, not as big as these, but You can see a few buildings along the two sides, and it's clean. So it really gives a look like this Miami, you know, that I have in my head. So I guess I was right. So to me, it actually have that look
Yeah, definitely.
of Miami.
LA is like that too.
LA?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of the things I like about down south is that the bus is like that can connect you all the way back to like Fort Lauderdale and stuff like that.
Wow.
You don't have to drive down here if you don't want to. You can come down for the day. You can take the train. The train station was very close. We actually passed that while we were driving. So it's very similar to like New York.
That's nice. Very good information. Miami. Wow. Love it. Love it. This guy, you look like the actor. That guy look like Percy. What name? You know Percy, the actor guy? What name again, man? Percy what? Like Quincy or... Yeah. I wanted to just see the middle of this. Them a building now you have to bend your head back. All your back you have to bend if you see what going up on top. All kinds of bad machine. Come, Janela. Can you take my picture?
Yes.
Yeah, take it from this way. Going back that side. She's taking my picture. Martin. That is it. Thank you. So no one Jamaica walk by, we are all natural. Yeah. They're running above the road. That's cool. See how tall these videos are? These buildings. Jeez. Wow. You wanna walk around that side? Oh, we don't have to press anything here. Hey fam, how do you ride that? Can I have a minute, man? Yeah, quick question. I'm a YouTuber. I've always seen it, but I don't understand how it works.
Oh yeah, the machine. Oh, okay, yeah, I explain.
Yeah, explain to me, cause I see where persons be riding this like a car or a bike. It has only one wheel.
Yeah, exactly. All right, let me explain. All right, so first off, you see it doesn't self-balance.
Yeah.
Right. So it's got this light. This light lets you know when pressure's on the left side and right side, right?
Oh yeah.
So it knows you're standing on it when it's got pressure on both sides. You see the solid blue.
Well,
so now it's self-balanced.
Oh,
It's self-balanced now. So anywhere you lean, it wants to go.
Oh.
Right? And then you get half of your foot off, tippy toe, and then it's back. So that's how you get on it. You actually get on it by putting pressure on it, equal across, solid blue line, up. Tippy toe, up.
Oh, so once you lift
it, if you want to, man, if you want.
Do it again. Let me see how you do it.
If you want, you can try. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'll definitely try.
Yeah,
so
here.
balance.
Here.
Or once you put your both foot. Oh,
Yeah,
so how do you move? Once you lean it forward.
Lean where you want to go. Yeah. Then tippy toe, bam.
Oh.
Want to try it?
Yeah. All right.
You got it. You might want to try it, like holding on to this box or something like that, bro.
All right, Jamaica walk by, living his best life.
Yeah, it might be more natural to look that way and try it, but it's up to you.
Once you put your both leg on it, you turn blue.
Yeah, there you go. You can just go straight flat. Go flat. Boom. Now you go where you want to go. Jump off and you can jump.
Alright, one more try.
Yeah.
So you have to have some balance, man.
Yeah.
So it's like,
There you go. Yes, sir. Jump. Oh, you good. You got a bell. Jump. Bell. Jump. I'm not home yet. You gotta jump. Let me trip my body. He got it though.
Yeah. Oh my God, thank you.
That's up and respect.
I'm
Where
only,
you from?
I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, bro.
How long did it take you to really ride it really well?
Probably a couple years. I've been riding for a couple years though, bro.
Oh my word.
Yeah.
So like where could I, if I wanted to buy, where could I get it?
Onewheel.com.
Onewheel.com.
Yeah, onewheel.com.
Alright, let's get some of this information right here.
Yeah, for sure.
So if you want one of this bike here, you gotta check out onewheel.com.
For sure.
Yeah, who recommend them?
Oh yeah, I recommend them, man. This is my favorite way to get around. I don't drive a car or anything. I drive this guy. So
This.
hey, yeah.
Man, it takes a little bit of skill work. So what's your Instagram?
Oh, my Instagram? I don't even have Instagram. I've got a TikTok though.
You have a TikTok?
Unbreakable Grind.
Unbreakable?
Unbreakable Grind. TikTok.
That is it. You married?
Huh?
Are you married?
Yeah.
You're married? Alright then, because you know, anytime I see my brothers them come out in the gym settings,
Yeah.
well fit out and thing, we always make ladies them soon, okay? Ladies them are gonna come DM you, you know.
Yes, sir.
And say, yes, you see on Jamaica walk by. Big up yourself, bro. You don't know a thing. We can't just give out the ladies them Instagram and info to you know. Our brothers are here.
Yes, sir.
That
I
is it.
appreciate Hey,
Yeah.
hey, that's love, guys.
Yeah, man, that is it. Decent youth.
For
Watch
sure.
the balance.
Yeah, hey, all right, fam.
Wow, man. It is not that easy as he made it seems. It is not that easy. It is, listen, it is, you see me
Yes.
rocking. This was my legs.
I look like spaghetti.
It is, you see, and it moved fast, look. You see how fast it can do it? Ah, man, that was crazy. Woo, so let us see. Let's go down some more. But that was a vibe. Here's a guy with a slingshot. Let me talk to this guy real quick. Yeah. That's it. Bless up, bro. I like your car. Slingshot. Bless up, my friend. Big up, respect. I'm a YouTuber. Ah, man, that is it. Machine. Yeah. Mad thing, that was cool. So Janelle, that's me. You know, when you see the content and if something amuses me or it's amusing to me, I'm gonna express myself because I'm not just right. I'm not just shooting some content. I'm documenting my life. So yeah, if something amazes me, I definitely want to see it and to explore it and stuff like that. So that's why I keep telling people, if you don't want to be on this channel or if the content that I do is not for you, please, I'm asking you, go subscribe to another channel. Support another channel. Nothing is wrong with that. It is always great to live the life that you want to live and support who you want to support. You know what I mean? To me, it's honestly, it don't make sense. This are loads of subscribers, but you're not participating, you're not supporting, nor anything like that. Or maybe you subscribe, but you're disliking the videos. That is not nice. So, yeah, please, I'm asking you to. Oh, we have 6 seconds. Let's cross. 3, 2, 1. I don't realize you walk where you get them across the crosswalk.
That's where you make them stop.
Give them a walk where you did the cross. Go on. I never see you walk where she walk. After I think I said 3 seconds. That's the walk she walk across. And we only have like 2 seconds on the crosswalk. Jenna was dropping runaway model walk. I stop traffic.
Yeah, that's the test as to whether your model legs are
Oh
working.
my word.
It could literally be in like a lot of traffic and the light is green, but if you're walking across, it'll stop for you.
Jeez. I would be on my hand.
You would not.
Like if the light changed for me to go and you're giving me the model walk and the stop, I'm going keek. Hurry up!
Nope.
Yeah. But yeah, massive, as I was saying, you know, this channel is for persons who appreciate what is going on here, persons who want to be here. You know what I mean? Persons who actually enjoy content like this to relax, to look on the place and stuff. So if you really don't want to be here, don't just build up the numbers. You know what I mean? Don't just subscribe to hate. Don't just subscribe to dislike. You know what I mean? Yeah. So subscribe because you want to be here and we are the content that you love and you want to see. Look how tall this building is. Wow. How many floors do you think is on here? I think it's about maybe 100 and something floors on this building right here. It's massive. Alright, so we're just turning and walking through downtown Miami. Wow. I wish everyone could get a chance to experience the level of infrastructure this place has to offer. Like, if you're a fanatic when it comes down to infrastructure like me, you are going to know what this means. It is beautiful. Very beautiful. Wow. We can walk. That's it. Where does that road go?
Brickell. So Brickell is like another town.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And there's like a mall over there too. So there's Aventura Mall and there's Brickell.
Oh. Wow. It's beautiful.
It is.
It is super beautiful. Wow. Super beautiful. Huh? Courtyard. Feel like I want to take a look over that bridge. Think you're up for it?
Yeah. It's got a crossover. You want to cross over here and then just stay on this side?
Yeah, let's go on the other side. Oh, what's this? Oh, I thought it was like a Jamaican restaurant. Well, it's not. Oh. Is it there? Or this one is automatic?
It's probably like baked chicken and stuff like that. The baked chicken fries. It might have some coffee.
Menu looks good.
Okay, so they have like shrimp, rice, stuff like that. It's like formula chocolate.
Menu looks good. Oh, by the marketplace?
Yeah, it was huge though.
Seems like this light is automatic. Oh, it's saying that we should cross right now. Alright, let's go. Feel that?
I do. You?
Yeah. Yeah, there's so much place for like buildings and stuff with shelter. You'll be fine. Hyatt Regency. What? She in a them place like her yard too. Hey, I can bet that's the penthouse up there. One palm tree living. That's crazy. Oh yeah? So this is where their pool is at. It's the Hyatt.
But is it?
And I realized that over here, every single person is wearing the same thing.
Miami style.
You realize? Shorts and leggings.
Yeah,
Black.
that's the style.
Wow, look at this.
For all of those boats. We go through here to get one that's
Okay.
you know, this whole thing opens up.
Like
Like
the bridge
up,
itself
yeah,
open,
all the way up to the
or when certain ones pass.
Well, they're supposed to do it on like the hour.
It's shaking. Woo.
On the hour. So
Janelle, you think we don't know say I run cross the bridge?
no,
Think we don't know say I run cross the bridge?
run it.
To make sure say you cross it?
That's not running. You know what's running? One time,
Ah.
one that you could actually see underneath it,
Yeah.
and it felt like you were standing on top of it, like it was glass. I literally
Yeah.
zoomed
Oh, look
past
at this
that.
car. That was so cool. The noise it make when on the bridge. The vehicle end up on the bridge. Bank of America. Wow. This.
Probably only open on the evening.
Oh, this is too beautiful, man. This penthouse and stuff. Wow. It's crazy. Wow. The sun is too hot. They're renovating this building here. Jeez. Can you relate about the heat? The heat. Jeez. Jana, the heat. The mud.
That smells good.
Huh?
Whatever's in there smells good.
Smell good though.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Too bad you're heating healthy, you know? Too bad you're heating healthy. We probably should have went through there, don't you? To go back.
Probably not.
Oh yeah, we have to go back over the bridge. Alright, let's go around. Go around this building. See what is here. This is actually the coolest I've been since I'm here. Other than being in an AC. Oh.
October, November, you love it. Basically October through April. Just May through July. That is
Oh no. Super hot. Hot. This is a robot. This is a robot.
It's a curbside delivery.
What does it do?
Delivers.
Somebody drive it?
Delivers to the curbside. So like you order your food and it delivers.
Oh, so is it somebody driving it or?
Yeah, like they set it GPS.
Oh, and it just do it?
Yeah.
What?
You passed one earlier.
So it's not somebody driving it via remote control?
They're probably also controlling it like that too, but there's like a GPS system. So
And the wheels are super. Like say can deal with a lot of different terrain.
yeah.
See, it not lick up nor nothing, see that? I saw one around there but I didn't realize.
Noticed it. I was like, oh, maybe it's one.
You didn't tell me about that.
Because I thought you saw one before, because you walk right past it.
I didn't even know that was a thing. So what do you call it? Curbside delivery?
Yes,
So that's a robot.
it is a robot.
So the food is actually in there. So who actually purchase it will see it coming and it will come to them, open up.
Or they have, they notify you when it's ready.
Oh, and there's a QR code on there.
It is, yes.
So it just stops right there. What happened? Maybe it's what?
You see that there's like a little,
Thing blinking on it.
yeah,
That's nice.
from somebody.
That is technology there. It's first I'm actually even hearing about this. I saw one the other day where they're using this bag now, with the man have it on the back and the ear thing that he flies around
Oh my god.
and do delivery. That's the one I'm seeing now.
Yeah, DoorDash has its own little thing for that.
Which one? Which company is that? Do you know?
No, actually, I'm not sure.
Because I realized the moment it realized that I was coming close to it, it moved away.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a smart robot.
That's why I'm wondering if it was somebody driving it. It is so cool. It is actually right there still. I'm new to it, so I'm amazed. All right, that's cool. Really didn't know that was a thing. That was cool. Robots delivering food. Oh, here's another one. See what I'm talking about? Here's another one. Wow. Look at it. And somebody must be driving this, bro. That is crazy. And everybody around here, only me alone looks strange. Oh, the bridge opened back, it did look like it did lock.
Yeah, so we missed it. Go up.
Oh, can we cross? Yeah, I want to walk on the other side. So they don't wait on it. Why me not brought no rules in our people in country? Then probably the citizens. Watch it. Yeah, I'm gonna try to go on the other side. What? Seems like this is where you come when you want to see all the supercars.
If you want to see them up close, you go to Aventura Mall, and they're all parked in the parking garage.
Man. It's time for us to go. Did the bridge open from? I'm trying to locate it. The black thing? Yeah. You think it's this one? Or it's in the middle here?
It's on both sides. Because the other side has to be finished.
Oh, yeah. Super beautiful. bridge opens from. As you can see, the split in the road. Yeah, right here, open on both sides. Thing. Oh yeah. Super beautiful. Breeze is really nice too. Watch Janelle. Janelle not like you know, she afraid. That's how she got. So what you're gonna say now? You run across it again and come on this side. I know you're saying I'm scared of the bridge.
I have no intention
Yeah, I have no intention of what.
hanging out on the bridge.
Oh God. She have no intention of hanging out at the bridge.
You don't even get a good view from it. My long pizza and my passion fruit.
Oh yeah.
That's motivating me for this walk back.
Oh yeah. It's beautiful. All these things made out of remotes and stuff like. We still gonna try and cross it. Alright, let me see if I can catch where it's opening from. I wanna see where it's gonna open from. But so this one is as it went down. Oh, now it's going down. Oh, so they made it that you still can pass. Oh, so the crosswalk gate, the pedestrian gate is actually locked. But you can see, I want to see how does it open. I've always seen stuff like this in the movie, so let's see. Oh, so oh yes, it's opening. How cool is that? Ah man. Open from here. Sinks. It's my first time seeing something like this. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Oh, it's the first time for you too?
Yeah.
Oh. So this is what it looks like when it's opening. Wow. Wow. See, it's open really high. So that's the road that is coming across. looked like there was a few down there waiting. So it's like
the traffic.
yeah, like a traffic stop, yeah. See, and they were down there waiting. Be careful. Miami, Jenna, Miami. Miami. Wow. So it's actually opened for a while. It's a good little wait. See, Jamaica needs to invent and do some of these infrastructures.
Yeah. They don't really have.
What, the money? Don't say we don't have the money.
They don't really have this setup like that. Because
Yeah, because we don't need something like this to go to the airport, especially connecting downtown Kingston.
that would probably be
It's right across.
kind of like a ferry.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be great.
Even a ferry would be great.
Yeah, ferry would be good.
I wonder how long it stays like this. So even the human traffic is being piled up. Yeah, to walk across. So you just gotta wait. And it's starting to go down. Janela, look at it, starting to go down.
Yep. And then the traffic start going back.
So we're downtown Miami and I'm experiencing the bridge open up and close for the first time and let some boat and ship across. It was crazy. As you can see, no pedestrian beyond this gate as the road open up. And this is actually in Miami. Beautiful infrastructure. It is so smooth, you don't even feel it going down. You don't even hear it. It is so smooth. And you have the traffic lights and stuff even for pedestrians. And also it stopped down there for all the cars, even though it caused a bit of traffic. But yeah, this is it. Super cool. Yeah, man. That's the river there. And now the gates are gonna be open on all the sides. Super cool. You don't even hear it when it shuts. See? So nobody still can't cross until these gates are fly.
That's your favorite part of the bridge anyways.
Yeah. Now it started to ring. And started to open. See? Now you can go. How cool is that? Man. How cool is that? Man. That was some great work there. Yeah, that's fine. Machine. You know that's my first favorite car right there. Yeah. Probably don't get to cross right now.
For a while.
Yeah, I wanted to walk somewhere else. If we go that way and go that way, it's gonna go back on the same stretch going down. I don't want it to go on the same stretch. I want to like go around it. Yeah. Hey, look at that. What? What? I'm not gonna get it. Let me see. Machine. Look at this. It's crazy, bro. First I'm seeing one of that.
The wagon?
No, that green machine. Other than at the game. We can cross? Yes. We can? G-Wagon machine. Can we cross? Great car, man. Machine. Wow, look at this. Yikes. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Video bingo. Cheese and peas, video bingo. Oh my gosh. You know me, I go sort it out, right? Video bingo. You know that Jamaican term? When you go in a car, I make you ask your mother. I'm going to explain it to you. There's no button to press. This one probably automated.
It's to be synchronized with
The stop
regular
line.
truck, yeah.
Thank you, Jesus. Video. Here's another one. The robot using the freaking crosswalk. Check. The robot using the crosswalk. Like, I'm convinced it's someone driving it.
No, it's
Can I ask you a quick question? Is those things automated or somebody actually driving them via remote control?
No, I think it's automated.
It's automated.
Yeah, pretty sure.
It is. I'm from Jamaica, so
Yeah.
these things are nowhere near where I'm from right now.
Yeah.
You're telling me that it's driving all and doing all that by itself?
Yeah, AI or whatever. It's just
It's taking the
put it on
crosswalks.
the map and it goes. Yeah, it stops for people. We've had it down here maybe a year, maybe almost two now. We've had it for a while.
OMG!
Yeah, I swear.
It's driving by itself.
It'll stop.
It stopped.
It knows when the lights are
Yeah,
green,
cross the crosswalks, everything, and it just parks there. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you for talking.
Oh, anytime.
Bless up. Yo, that mud.
See, I told you. Automated.
I want to like more video one of them.
Have sensors on it.
More video one of them, but it don't make you really go too close to it. You realize?
Yeah.
If you see another one, I'm hoping that the pass will close.
What if it says Jamaica Wildfire?
If you ever say that, me run.
We'll run.
What do you mean? If you ever talk to me and say, you're Jamaica walk by.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. Yeah, man. So we are currently walking in Miami, and this is actually the inside of the town of Miami. We're just walking around, but we're going to walk on the shoreline too as well, like next to the Miami beach. So you know what I mean? Nah man, it's gonna be beautiful. Big boy fast asleep, man. So now what I realize is that we're on the Spanish side of town. Yeah. See, they love their dogs. Love them dog, boy. Should we continue or should we turn here? Let's turn here. Let's turn here. G.
Oh, you here?
Yeah, you good?
Yeah, man.
That is it, man. Big up my teacher. Huh? Yeah, I hustle. You know, Jamaica and them take it hustle everywhere. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we can cross here. Until we realize that the sitting the police and give the ticket on the cars.
Yeah.
They work.
Yep.
for these, man. Wow. That's a Ferrari there, like, ooh. Beautiful. Jeez. Oh my word. Thing of beauty, man. Jeez. Oh my word. Look at it. That's a thing of beauty. Take good care of her. Woo. One day, Jesus, I tell you, one day, Papa God, if I can't hold on for one to just go and drive. Janelle, when you go own a Ferrari, so I can say, Janelle, make you drive out a machine, man.
I thought we were waiting for your delivery.
Oh my God.
I thought we were waiting.
Me just tell God a while ago, say one day, Papa Jesus.
You don't want a Ferrari.
What? What? Me no want left off a hurt and I own couple of them the super car.
Go up to like 70, possibly 80. No.
Me no business. More know say can go there.
Oh my gosh.
Imagine anything Father God do.
Ferrari money, there's so many other things I would love to do with that.
Listen, you can only do so much and no more.
No.
You have to live some of it. You think say all of that hard work, me no want to enjoy some of it. Me want to enjoy.
Not in a small Ferrari.
In a Ferrari, you mean man, I want to drive it. I want to drive it and feel it. Sometimes those little things matter, you know. You understand? You know what people never drive in a Honda. You know what they feel like?
One for the day?
Huh?
You want to go rent one for the day?
Or Ferrari? Me not have the money for rent either. Porsche 911 and all them things. I want to drive them the machine. I want to mind have two of them park up in my garage. Like Jenna, if I can own a car like that, can you imagine the amount of things that I've already done for people? Plus other people like,
Yeah.
Come on man, let me enjoy some of it, man.
I'm just saying, for me, if I have the money to buy a Ferrari, there's so many other ways I would like to enjoy that money.
Yeah, I could probably do them already. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
For you to be able to say, alright then, me I go buy one Ferrari.
Okay,
You probably do the food where you probably wanted to eat, you probably build the apartments that you wanted to build.
In that case, maybe.
Yeah, this guy, by the looks of him,
I want a
he
Bentley.
probably helped millions of people already.
I prefer a Bentley.
See, a Bentley. Imagine you can only have you can have only so much and no more, you know, but one life to live, you know. You probably build 5, 6 things in a Miami. Maybe that guy who own one of them big high-rise building in Miami. Or you might never know. And all him a spending money. All him a give it away. The money are coming 10 times more. What am I gonna do? I have to go buy 2 Ferrari, 2 911 Porsche, 2 Bentley. All of them, so man just go and drive. Because remember in the car in life now run out, you know. Over life I run out. Now my car now no soul, man, then now no life you run out. When that you take out that and throw in the next one. The kind of money where you have, you throw in the next one, easy. But you see heart and the cancer And all of them things, you can't fix back that. If with that rich Steve Jobs, if Steve Jobs couldn't buy one next body, he have it. Oh, full time work. Massive, if you don't agree with me, if you don't agree with me, say amen. If Steve Jobs could buy one next body, he buy that body and he would still be alive today. If it was all depended on money. Yeah man, whole heap of rich man would still be alive right now. If it was up to money. Then they alive and kicking and look younger than a whole heap of way. Yes man. But unfortunately it's not like that at all. So yes, massive big up and respect. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was a great walking downtown Miami. Come in, Janelle. All the massive, you don't know how your legs feeling? Great.
You look great.
That is it, man. No joke, no doubt. So her name is Janella Faye. For all the massive who just been joining and stuff, subscribe to her YouTube channel, Janella Faye. You'll see the link in the description. Loads of new video coming up for her.
Yes.
So go and subscribe, check her channel out, alright?
Definitely.
That is it. Remember, like and watch the videos.
Yes, and comment.
Figure that.
Of course.
Oh, you mean. So thank you so much. Miami has been great, the town. So let's move on to watch. Hear me. Let's move on to another location where we are go up on the beach. We're going to walk Miami Beach right about now. So if you watch this video and you're not seeing that video, by the time this video posts, you probably see it already. So, or maybe you're not see it yet, go over there and look for that. Miami Beach or Jamaica walk by. That is it. Outside me there. Look good. In a them place like a me yard. Easy.
Thinking of a song that I can play. I wish I was home to be in Jaja's place. But there's no need to worry, 'cause I'll be there someday. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. Looking around, I see a kind face, and only used to be cyborg is now his sleeping place. Love used to be empty space. I hope you can see it's a damn disgrace. So come in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. Who shall live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. Angola always says yes. Jesus. Ethiopia awaits us, yeah. Oh, Mama Africa, yes, awaits us. Ooh, oh, I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yes. We say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yeah. I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yeah. We say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yeah. Ah, yeah.